Hi, this is Kim. Thanks for watching my video. I'm coming in to talk about this new Bobbi Boss wig. Well, it's not new. It's new to me. But this is by Bobbi Boss Buttercup, style number M707 and a number 2. Y'all know how much I love this one. So I just had to try another Bobbi Boss wig. I had to. So this one is a curly one. And like I said, it's in a number 2. I thought about getting the same color that's on the model at the stock card, but I don't know. I'm new to these wigs, and this is a synthetic wig, so I figured I better play it safe and go with a number 2. If you want to see a review of this wig, then I'll leave it in the top, one of the top cards, so you can just click on it and it'll take you straight to the video. And I just put it on just real quick for this video. I didn't even blend it real good, but hopefully you can't tell. But here this wig is. It's a curly unit. I don't know the length. It has no combs. Only has the adjustable straps in the back. The care card. If you want to see it up close, that's what the card looks like, the stock card. And this wig was actually on sale at samsbeauty.com for $17. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna take this one off and put this one on, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what it looked like with me. I got a mirror behind me, so I'm looking in the mirror too. This is what it looks like just putting it on. Now, I know people say big hair friendly wigs. I don't think I have a big head, but I do have a lot of hair because my hair is long. But it's a really good fit. Yeah, but like I said, it's no combs. It just has the adjustable straps in the back. Very soft hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of fluff it out. I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit, and then I brought some shears so I could cut it wherever I think it needs it at. But as you see, when you fluff it out, this wig is actually cute. Remember, this is a synthetic wig. So you just kind of want to play with it a little bit, pull it out, and make it as big as you want it. However you want to rock it. You might want to rock a huge afro. But I know for sure I don't want to cut the bang, because I like the bang like that. This wig is cute. This is all about fluffing it. And you don't want to fluff it too, like on the ends. You kind of want to fluff more in the roots at the base of the wig, like the inner part closest to the cap. I might not have to cut it. I actually like it. What y'all think? Is it? Thumbs up? Leave a comment at the bottom, let me know. Thumbs up? If you love it, give me a thumbs up for at least trying this wig. And I like it. I like this hair. This is cute. Let me get up close so y'all can see what the actual curl pattern look like. I think. Turn around to the back. Check out some of my other videos. I'll link a couple in the top cards. The other Bobbi Boss wig that I just wore, which is the Xena, which is this one. I want to say it's Xena wig. I'll leave that up at the top. Okay, I had to change my lipstick and put on something more popping. So I put on the MAC Taraji P Viva Glam lipstick. That's a mouthful. But my reviews of this wig, like I said, it's really soft. It's very full. There's no like gaps or spaces or anything. This wig is really, really cute. I'm loving the way the curls is. Like I said, if you fluff it out and get it as big as you like it. You can shape it the way you might want to shape it a little smaller or bigger, however you like it. But this wig, this is cute. This is cute. This is really cute. Like I said, I'm gonna play with it a little more and see if I really want to cut it and shape it up a little bit better. But I actually like it like this. Even though it's a little bit flatter on the top and then come in taper like, but for now I like it. Again, this is a synthetic wig, so don't expect this wig to last forever. It's probably going to last about a month or so, depending on how often you wear it. Of course, don't sleep in it because quite naturally it will tangle up and mess up. So if you take it off every night, you're fine. It is big head friendly or a lot of hair friendly, however you want to put it. Because I actually didn't adjust the straps. I probably need to just to give it a tighter fit. But it's most definitely light and soft. So don't forget to subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. I'll leave them at the top so you can do that. Comment, click the thumbs up button. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.